Hey guys, Nick13, and I'm bringing you a tutorial video on how to install Buildcraft. Since on my channel I have a Buildcraft Let's Play, I thought that I should probably do a tutorial video on how to install it if people want to know how. I already have it in my mods folder right here, but I'll show you how to get all these files, what websites to go to, and I'll leave links in the description so you know what to go to. So first you want to go to www.mod/buildcraft.com, and when you go there it'll show you this web page, and depending on whether or not you want to do it manually or with an installer, it just depends on what you go to first. So if you want to use the installer, you want to go to installation and then down to Windows Client Installer. You click on that and it'll bring you to this page. It'll tell you to download this mod pack installation assistant. So I'll go ahead and do this, and it'll bring you to either Mediafire or one other one that I'm blanking on the name right now. So go ahead. I know this looks like something that's fake, but really it's not anything fake. And you click download, and if it decides to actually work, your download. There we go. All right, your download is starting. Once it download, tell it to save it to whatever you want. I have it on my desk. I have a empty Buildcraft folder on my desktop for this video, so I told it to just save it in there. And once it's complete, you can just go back to this one and go down to the next thing. It says download the description. All you have to do is just right-click it and then save target as, and then I just saved it into my wherever that Buildcraft file folder. There it is, Buildcraft folder. And I just went ahead and saved it in there. And if it doesn't work, if you don't click on the jar file and it doesn't work, go to this link right here and it'll give you the latest version of Java. So now once you get the Windows Client Installer downloaded, you want to go to the download and then down to Buildcraft for Minecraft 1.1.0. So click on that and it will give you these different clients: the A Core, B Transport, B Factory, B Builders, and B Energy. You want to click and download all of these files and save them into the same folder you saved your installation and that link in the description. And for here, this is just if you have a bucket server and you want to have Buildcraft on your bucket server. So I'm going to pause the recording right now to download these, and I will be back. Okay, I got the first four zip files downloaded. I wanted to show you the last one just to show you what it looks like. It'll take you to this AdFly page. I know this looks like another fake
Hey, it's Brian
thing
Winters with a
that'll
2-minute
give you
video
a
here to
virus,
review.
but trust me, it's not. It'll count down from 5 up in this upper right hand corner, and you just click skip ad, and then it'll pop up down here whether you want to save it, open it, that sort of thing. And then just save it into your Buildcraft folder. Hit OK. Good to go. Now, once that's all done, you should be good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize this. Oops, close that out. Okay, Buildcraft. So now you've got all these in here. You got the pack file, you got all 5 of the zip files, and you've got the mod pack installer. When you double click on the mod pack installer, it should bring up this. You hit select and it'll bring you up all of these. Now right here are the packs that I previously downloaded, and you see how there's a little green check next to it, and these top 3, how there's an X. These top 3 are the 3 files that you don't have in this Buildcraft folder at the moment. So you can click on the link, click on download, and it'll take you to where you can download it. And you just scroll down till you find it. Let's see, ModLoader 1.1. You can select which one you want to do. I'll just do AdFly. Do the same thing here. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Skip. Do I want to open it? I want to save it. ModLoader saved. Okay, now that that's saved, I hit refresh, and as you can see, there's now a check mark there. And I'm going to do that for these next 2. Whoop, whoop, whoop. modloader MP. Download and install SDK's modloader MP. So there's that 1.0, client 1.1. So you want to open it from AdFly or whatever it is that you want. Sorry about that. That was a little weird. It just kind of spazzed out there for a second. Skip ad. Modloader MP. Go ahead and hit download. And my download should be starting. Click through all of these. No, it is not downloading. I will try it again. But okay. Download is starting. It should be. It's not downloading. Okay. Hold on one sec. Okay, there we go. Now that it's actually working, I will go ahead and save as into the Buildcraft folder. Should be good there. Oops. Ads. Refresh, and there we go. Got the little check mark. And then the Minecraft Forge client finally. And oops. Ads galore. And let's see. Another media fire. God, hope it works. There we go. Good stuff. And go ahead and save that to it. Minimize this. Refresh. Good to go. Now the install button is not grayed out anymore, and you should be okay to install Buildcraft. So I'm going to go ahead and hit install. It'll do this. Don't worry, it's working. That's just what happens. When this screen pops up, you should be good to go. And before I demonstrate how it's working, I think I'm going to go ahead and throw in some whatchamacallit, inventory editor, and so I can just pull out all the too many items, that's what it's called. So I can just pull out all the different devices. I can show you how they're that it is indeed working. Go put these in there. Okay, close that. Minecraft login. Mojang. Alright, let's go ahead and create a new world. Alright. Generating levels, saving chunks, all that good stuff. Alright, in the world. Let's see. And yep, sure enough, there it is. There's combustion engine if you want one. Quarry. All build stuff, do everything I did in my Let's Play. So, thanks for watching. It's been NickOut13, and I will see you next time.